how to get started with AWS Glue in healthcare. Picture this. Your organization holds a treasure trove of patient data, test results, treatment histories, and operational reports, all brimming with potential to revolutionize care, slash costs, and spark innovation. Yet, this goldmine is scattered across disconnected systems, formats, and locations, leaving its value untapped. For many healthcare leaders, this chaos feels inevitable, but it doesn't have to be. What if there was a way to seamlessly unify, process, and unlock the power of your data, delivering actionable insights without the burden of managing complicated infrastructure? This is where your journey begins. Imagine a tool that eliminates the chaos of data silos, streamlines your workflows, and empowers your organization to act with confidence, all while ensuring compliance and scalability. That tool is AWS Glue. AWS Glue is a fully managed service that simplifies the process of extracting, transforming, and loading data across your organization. Today, we're going to talk about how AWS Glue can revolutionize data integration for healthcare, unlocking its full potential to improve patient outcomes and operational efficiency. Let's dive into the possibilities. Click the link in the description to download your free implementation guide on AWS Glue. Learn how to streamline your data integration, transform it for analytics, and drive measurable outcomes for your organization starting today. Discover how to eliminate inefficiencies and unlock the full potential of your data to make impactful decisions. Start empowering your team with tools that accelerate innovation and improve patient care. Healthcare organizations face unique challenges when it comes to their data. Patient data is often siloed in various systems: electronic health records, lab databases, insurance claims, and even IoT devices like wearable health monitors. This fragmentation makes it nearly impossible to get a complete view of a patient's journey or uncover patterns that could save lives. On top of this, compliance with strict regulations like HIPAA adds another layer of complexity. Teams are overwhelmed by manual processes, delayed insights, and mounting operational costs, all while struggling to scale their systems as data grows exponentially. AWS Glue solves these challenges by providing a fully managed service for discovering, preparing, and integrating your data. With Glue, you can connect to diverse data sources, automatically catalog your datasets, and transform them for downstream analytics or machine learning. It handles the heavy lifting of ETL, extracting, transforming, and loading data, so your teams can focus on what truly matters, using the data to improve patient care and streamline operations. Glue is serverless, scalable, and secure, making it a perfect fit for the fast-evolving demands of healthcare. Start by identifying your key data sources, whether they're in Amazon S3, on-premises databases, or third-party platforms. Use AWS Glue crawlers to automatically discover and catalog your data into the Glue Data Catalog, which becomes your centralized metadata repository. From there, you can create ETL jobs using Glue Studio, a user-friendly interface that simplifies complex workflows. Once your data is transformed, you can analyze it with services like AWS Athena or feed it into machine learning models for predictive insights. Failing to address data integration and transformation challenges could have serious repercussions. Without a unified view of patient and operational data, you risk delays in critical decision-making, higher operational costs, and compliance risks. Worse, fragmented data could mean missed opportunities to identify life-saving insights, leaving your organization at a competitive disadvantage in a rapidly evolving healthcare landscape. Over time, this can erode trust among stakeholders, including patients, providers, and regulatory bodies. The longer these challenges persist, the harder it becomes to catch up with competitors who are leveraging advanced data solutions to drive innovation. By adopting AWS Glue, your organization can transform raw, siloed data into a unified, actionable resource. This allows you to reduce operational overhead, comply with data regulations more effectively, and empower teams to deliver insights faster. You'll be able to automate complex data integration workflows, saving valuable time and resources while ensuring accuracy and consistency. This streamlined approach enables teams to focus on higher-value tasks, such as improving patient care and optimizing healthcare delivery. Additionally, AWS Glue equips your organization with the tools to scale effortlessly as data volumes grow. With its seamless integration with AWS services like Redshift, Athena, and S3, Glue provides a foundation for advanced analytics and machine learning initiatives. These capabilities translate into better patient outcomes, reduced costs, and an organization that's prepared to adapt to future challenges with agility and confidence. Taking action with AWS Glue positions your healthcare organization as a leader in innovation and data-driven decision-making. The stakes couldn't be higher. In a world where data can make the difference between life and death, failing to act could put patients and the organization at risk. Missed opportunities to leverage data can lead to delayed treatments, operational inefficiencies, and lost trust. Conversely, taking action ensures your organization remains competitive and prepared to meet the rapidly evolving demands of healthcare. Taking action positions your healthcare organization as a leader, able to harness the full power of its data to deliver unparalleled care, drive operational excellence, and innovate for the future. Don't let your healthcare data remain an untapped resource. Download the free implementation guide linked in the description to see how AWS Glue can transform your organization's data journey. Start building scalable, actionable solutions today and take your healthcare outcomes to the next level. Empower your team with the tools they need to unlock insights and drive meaningful innovation in patient care.